Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you all again. If you're fan of Roblox and love playing Grow a Garden, then you're absolutely in the right place today. This video is packed with fresh content. I will be showing you all the latest and currently working redeem code for Grow a Garden as of August 2025. This code can help you level up faster, unlock awesome reward like free coin, XLB bread, powerful booster and so much more completely free. So make sure to watch the entire video because some code expire quickly and you don't want to miss any of the best ones. Also, if you enjoy Roblox content like this, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. So let's start.